Hello, and welcome to the Jostens Senior Photo Card tutorial. We'll be walking through the creation process for your senior photo cards. Here's what you need. Your email invoice from your graduation order that we took in the fall. This email should include a photo card redemption code. You also need your senior picture files on your computer. Start off by going to jostens.com and affiliating with your school. After typing in your school name, make sure you have the correct state on the right-hand side. Once you're on your school's page, click Graduation. Then scroll down and click Shop Now. After that, click Photo Cards. Jostens offers tons of designs for you to choose from. Pick one you think fits your style. Once you've picked a design, select how many cards you ordered. This should be on your email invoice. Then pick a color, a trim, and a size. To be clear, you can order more photo cards than your redemption code covers. For example, if in the fall you ordered 25 cards, but now you realize you need 50 cards, your redemption code will subtract your original order amount from your subtotal. You just pay the difference. This also applies to photo card extras like cardstock and paper finish. Now for the fun part. Start uploading your photos, checking out the design options, and editing the text. Make your photo card represent you. Once you've finished with the front, start designing the back. You can leave it plain, add grad party details, or your future plans. The options are endless. Once you like how it looks, click Review and Order. Make sure everything looks right, check the box, and then add it to your cart. Enter your student name and then copy and paste the redemption code from your email invoice into the box on the bottom left. If you have any problems, please call, text, or email us. We are glad to help. Thanks for watching, and congratulations on your achievement.